Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we'll be slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. She comes courtesy of Rpgshow. This is a part of their lifestyle line, and of course you guys know I'll have her linked in the description box. And you guys already know this is going to be an easy, beginner-friendly style and install, and even more importantly, it's going to be glueless. No adhesive, no bonding, no holding spray, no heat required at all. So here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. It does include an adjustable elastic band. And as you guys can see, when I slide this bad boy on, it fits my head super snug. If your wig is going to fit glueless and you're not going to add anything at all to bond it down, it has to fit your head. I believe I received a size 1 cap, which is the smallest size, and I'm just going to put it on and kind of slide it back just a little bit to make sure it's not too far forward. Now here I am checking out the wig itself and seeing what we're working with. I'm going to pull all the hair backwards, that way we can go ahead and cut off the excess lace. Today I'll be working with this kit that they provided. It pretty much is a glueless install or a wig install kit. Now I love this because it has everything you need, including your spoolie, your mini size scissors, which are super handy and they help you get right in there super close. It also included the tweezers that you'll definitely need. And then, of course, it included your razor. You guys know the razor is the best way to remove your wigs. Make sure to pull the hair backwards and away from your face and go at it. Now, typically, I use my own eyebrow razors and they are not this sharp. Honestly, this cuts like butter. I'm absolutely going to be using this all the time. And I love that everything is travel size, so it can go into a little kit. And you'll be able to be mobile with this and keep it in your carry-on, or don't keep it in your carry-on if you plan on traveling and flying, because TSA might confiscate it because they might see it as like scissors and stuff like that. Be sure to check this if you're traveling and flying. Otherwise, it is a great kit that has literally everything you need to be able to install your wigs wherever you are. Another few specs on this wig. Her name is Mia. Of course, I have her in a natural brown hair color. She's in the length 14 inches and the texture is silky. And of course, I have her linked in the description box. While I am chatting it up, I went ahead and cut off all the excess lace around the ears as well as the hairline. And the hairline is so good that I went ahead and cut off half of it, and the other half I almost left on. I couldn't even tell it was there. I'm like, wait a minute. There's still lace. You can't even barely tell, but there's definitely still lace. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of that off, and we'll jump into the style because, again, there's no install process. This is a glueless install, so definitely no install process at all. Okay, so let's just go ahead and begin our styling process. I'm going to take the electric hot comb, and of course I used zero product with this look. Everything was so nice that you didn't need any wax. You didn't want to really weigh it down. I wanted to make sure it maintained the nice body because that kind of is what sets the style off. But of course I wanted to make it smooth, and this more so just made that parting pop. I feel like it wasn't necessarily frizzy, but it just was, you know, a little teased and fun around the hairline. I really wanted to make that parting pop because without having to do anything, it just blends with my complexion so well. Now I'm going to go ahead and work in sections. You can honestly just kind of leave it as is, or you can just do quick little big, little bumps in the hair and you'll be good to go. I did go ahead and section off just a little bit to kind of just play with it a little bit. I kind of felt guilty that, this literally is a quick and easy 5-minute or less glueless install, and you can literally put this wig on, cut off the excess lace and go. So I went ahead and just did way too much with the electric hot comb. This was not necessary at all. You guys seen how beautiful the wig looked already, but again, I just felt guilty. Like, there's no way I'm gonna cut off the lace and literally just go. Like, is there a catch? And it really isn't a catch. Like, you literally can just do just that. Get a load of the lace. The lace is absolutely gorgeous. 10 out of 10 chef's kiss. It blends with my complexion so effortlessly. I did not have to bleach the knots or tint the lace or anything like that. It just came this beautiful. And of course, if you want, you can move the parting around. Again, this is a lace frontal wig, so you'll be able to part it if you want to go sideways. You can cut the bangs shorter. You can get rid of the parting altogether. You can do side swept bangs. You can do like China bangs. You can pull the wig back or forward to make it the bangs longer or shorter. There are literally so many ways that you can wear this wig. If you want to take a break from the bangs, you can like do little twisties or cornrows going back or sideways. Literally whatever you want, you can achieve with this wig. I'm using my Babyliss flat iron to go in and just bump it and just kind of like do like feather style bumps or bangs, and I like the way this added a little bit of body and dimension to the hair. And that is pretty much everything I needed to do. After this, I went ahead and put the wig on the mannequin head while I took a shower and got in the bed. And guess what? When I woke up, I just took her off the mannequin head, put her back on, and we were good to go. Again, literally no install. Effortless, easy, gorgeous, fun, and of course it's a bit funky. It's something a little bit different for me, and I've definitely been getting so many compliments, and you guys have been asking on the gram, what wig is this? Who is this from? Give us the link. And here it is. So beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and if that wasn't enough, look at the hairline. You part it out. You don't even need scissors. You don't even need a rat tail comb or anything like that. You literally part it out, and look how beautiful that hairline is. It's plucked and tweed, so if you want to pull it backwards, they got you covered. Literally all the bases are covered. Check out this wig in the description box. Okay, love bugs, I'm officially done. Oh, of course I will put on some lip gloss right before I do something like this, because now it's gonna stick to my face if I shake it. I tried dabbing a little bit off, but this hair has so much bounce in body. I'm so impressed and I'm so in love with it. And the best part about this is this is a glueless install. So this is going to the top of my list of wigs I can put on like when I'm taking my son to school in the mornings and stuff like that, because you guys know how it is when you hop up and you got like 10 minutes to literally brush your teeth, wash your face, and get dressed. You want to walk out the house looking decent, especially if you got to be around your kids, teachers, and the school and all of that. And so you want to make sure you have something that you can throw on that will you'll look good with. So I'm able to put this on, and as you guys seen in the video, it's glueless. This is it like pushed like all the way forward, and to shorten the bang, so let me show you. When I push it all the way forward, obviously it covers my face, my eyes, and then I can just, instead of having to cut it, I can slide it back, and now it's still a long bang, but it goes above. So that's the beautiful thing about wigs like this with like a bang. You can push it back, especially when the wig fits right. This one fits glueless, and that is key, and it is extremely important when it comes to like a bang wig, because like trying to like bond this down and then have the bangs in the front is too much. I don't want to have to bond it down just to cover up the hairline, if that makes any sense. And you guys seen when I pulled the hair forward and parted it, the parting, the lace, everything about it is so beautiful. I didn't even add any like concealer, and this looks better than concealer. It looks better than lace tint. It literally is giving scalp, so it looks like, you know, my real hair, and I just added a couple pieces in, and I love that about this wig. Also, I love this wig. It just looks so cute. I feel like I look like my mom. But I loved the packaging for this one. It's definitely different. It says Rpgshow Lifestyle Beautiful, and I think that is so cute. It's like a nice little dust bag that you'll be able to store your wig in. And then I showed you guys the box at the beginning of the video. It's very similar to the regular Rpgshow wig boxes. It's the same shape with their logo, except it says lifestyle under. And I love the texture and quality of this one here. It's like a marbled situation, really pretty. Inside they included my brown wig caps. They gave a wig grip. Now this is also a great thing to have with this type of wig, because it fits glueless. Just say if you want to have a little bit of reassurance that it's not gonna like slide back, you put this on, like you put your wig cap on, you put this on like you would a headband at the very front of like your wig cap where your wig is gonna start, and then you put this wig on top, and it's gonna make it fit even more snug. So for me, this fits perfect, and I don't need it. I don't think you'll need it either, but I just love the fact that they included a little bit of insurance for those of us who may be new to wigs and a little bit nervous about it not sliding back. Don't bond it down. Don't cause yourself
all this hassle if you don't have to, because not only is bonding it down going to make another step for you, it's going to also make another step for maintenance because it's eventually going to lift and you have to clean the lace and all that. With this one, you don't need to do that. You can literally take the wig off at night. You guys know I always have my wig head on hand and it's already set up in my bathroom. So I can literally come in, pull the wig off and put it on my mannequin head for the night, put on my bonnet, take my shower and all that, go to sleep and be comfortable. And when I wake up in the morning, I can put the wig back on and it's still perfectly styled because I didn't sleep on it and, like, you know, mess up the style. And then I also have the edge tamer, which you guys know is a key product. You guys know I love my wax whenever I style my wigs, especially in the lace parting, so that works perfect for that. If I did not mention, this is what she looks like on their website on the mannequin head. Super beautiful, and her name is Mia. In love with this look. It gives a bit of a 70s vibe and it definitely gives a bit of a switch up. When they first asked me about this wig, I was a little bit nervous if whether or not I would be able to execute it. I love the way my facial structure looks, my eyes and my cheekbones. It really brings it out, and I haven't really done a bang in a while, so I'm really happy that with this one I'll be able to, like, sweep it to the side if I need to and bring it back forward. I can do different styles with this one. I can make it a short bang, I can make it a long bang, I can use the edge trimmer they provided and, like, push it back and, like, twist it into some twisties. I can do so many different things with the bang, and more importantly, when I need a break, I can take it off, put my bonnet on, and I can put it back on when it's time to roll. So that's definitely what I love about this one. Again, I really love the way this one complements my face shape and my bone structure. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous on me and it's a vibe. So if you're interested, I'll have it linked in the description box. I've worked with Rpgshow so many times, so of course I would love it if you check out more of my videos from this company, all on my page. Again, this one is from their lifestyle line, which is absolutely beautiful. Also included lists and links of everything I used to complete this look, so make sure you check that out as well. I got a new PO box. I'll be doing Vlogmas all month in December, so if you guys want to send me some of your cool items, if you have a, you know, small business or just anything you want to get a shout out, be sure to check the description box for that PO box. That way you can send me stuff, because as I get stuff and I check my PO box, I'll always include it in the vlogs to give you guys a shout out. So I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe. There is so much great content on this channel, and I would love it if you stick around and become part of the tribe. So smooches.